Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So basically, first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi connection instead of mobile data, and then we can enter the Play Store. So let's tap on it. Of course, if you're not logged in, you will have to do it right now. You won't be able to download any kind of apps without adding your account here. So after that, just tap on this circle, which is basically your account, and then tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now let's tap on Manage, and as you can see right here, we've got the list of all apps which are currently installed on this device. And in order to check the updates, just tap on Updates Available. And as you can see here, we've got at least in my case 15 apps which can be updated. So all you have to do in order to do that is to simply mark the one you'd like to update. So of course, if you want to, you can mark all of them and your device will download all of the updates, or update only one or two of them. So I will pick Facebook, for example, and then Netflix. And as you can see, they are marked right now. So all we have to do is to simply tap on this update icon right here. And as you can see, the updates will be downloaded, and after that, they will be also successfully installed and automatically updated. I mean, apps will be updated. So basically, you do not really need to do anything manually. So actually, this is it. This is how to update apps in your Xiaomi 12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.